Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Beautybigbang very kindly sent me 6 of their stamping plates to swatch and review. And featuring in this video are Beautybigbang XL-013 and Beautybigbang XL-014. And this is the second part. You can find the first part in the Beautybigbang playlist here on my channel, and as always you can find all the links for these stamping plates in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on, and please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper as well as my Nail Artisan Tiffany Geo Clear stamper. I have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate. I'm going to begin with Beautybigbang XL-013, and I have a blue nail tip and a dark grey stamping polish for this swatch. I have a similar image like this one on another stamping plate and I couldn't get it to pick up, so I'm super happy that this swatch has turned out beautiful. It's such a pretty design. For the next swatch I'm going to use a purple nail tip along with a pink stamping polish. Now I am using a little more polish than normal as some of these images are longer than most designs, and I just want to make sure that I get to the bottom of it. That's the main reason. But this is a very cute combo. I didn't actually think this was going to work, but I think it does though. For the next swatch I'm going to use a nude nail tip along with a red stamping polish. This is a fairly new colour combo for me, which I'm loving right now. I will remove any excess with my lint roller before placing down, but such a cool design, and that writing is super clear. You could even add some colour to him as well to really make him stand out. Moving on to Beautybigbang XL-014, and for the first swatch I'm going to use a green nail tip with a teal green stamping polish. I'm going to show you how I lay my polish down when I use longer images. I place my normal line at the top and then halfway down I'll apply a smaller line. This really just makes sure that I do get to the end of the image. I've had it many times when I'm missing the bottom, but by doing this I get a great swatch like this one every time. For the next swatch I'm going to use a silver nail tip along with a black stamping polish. These pandas are so adorable. Again, any excess I pick up I will remove before placing down. My personal favourite is using my lint roller, but you could use tape or the back of the scraper. But how cute is this panda? And I love that there's still plenty of room to add some other detail if I wanted to. For the next swatch I'm going to use a pink nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. These larger designs I really like. They fill my nails, the pop sticks and nail tips really well, and even when I have my nails super long. And this design looks so cool. You could even fill the panda heads in with some colour to really make them stand out. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these 2 Beautybigbang stamping plates. Beautybigbang XL-013 is cat and dog inspired. There is 9 large style designs going up the plate, and then at the top there is 8 smaller designs. I'm a cat and dog owner, and having a stamping plate like this for me personally is great, as there isn't many of them about. But I love that there's a good mix between both cat and dog. For the swatches I've used 2 different stampers, the Tiffany Duo from the video for the larger images and my clear jelly stamper crystal double-ended stamper for the smaller designs. Across all 6 of these Beautybigbang stamping plates I have used a mix of stamping polishes from Clear Jelly Stamper, Nicole Diary, Born Pretty and Beautybigbang, and they have all worked great. Not one gave me any problems. These Beautybigbang stamping plates are what I call versatile, which is brilliant. For me, I can't wait to see what other manis I can create from using XL-013. The image on the bottom row in the middle, I could not figure out what that design was until I'd actually stamped it. I was like, well, I don't know what that is. But after looking at it, after I'd swatched it, I was like, oh, it's dog's face. It really is such a unique design. I've never seen anything like it before. But there are some unique designs across this whole plate, to be fair. For the mani, I went with a blue gel polish and a dark blue stamping polish. Each nail has a different image, and I've used a mix of cat and dog images as well. I also decided to turn this matte as I felt that it looked better this way, but I love how all the images have worked so well together for this mani. I don't often do cat or dog manis, but I love this one. It turned out so well. Beautybigbang XL-014 is Panda Inspired. There is 7 large style designs at the top, along with 12 smaller images at the bottom, and then there is also 2 other designs on the bottom as well. There is a great mix of sized images across XL-014. For the swatches, again, I've used the Tiffany Duo Clear for the larger designs, and then for the smaller pandas I've used the Clear Jelly Stamper Crystal Double-Ended Stamper. I was going to do all the swatches white and black, but I decided I wanted to do them all different colours, and I love how they have all turned out. There was 2 images on the top row that I was a little concerned about, because me and images which have a lot of design really close together don't get on very well. But I was actually really happy with how they turned out, and that they were super easy to work with. A lot of the pandas you could fill in with some colours to make decals. It would really bring them to life, and definitely something I want to do. My favourite image has to be the Blah Blah Panda. I almost used it for my mani, but I decided I wanted to use it for another mani later on. I have absolutely loved using these 2 Beautybigbang stamping plates. For this mani, I used a red gel polish, but I didn't want to stamp in white, so I used a very light pink. I've used again a different image for each nail. Now for me personally, I feel the stamping polish could have been scraped a lot better, cleaner maybe, but I love the design though. It's something quite different. I do wonder if it might have looked better matte though. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below, along with Beautybigbang's Instagram page as well. Make sure you check them out. Thank you to Beautybigbang for sending me these stamping plates to swatch and review. I'm loving them. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 2 Beautybigbang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.